The warning SOS Inoperative in a Mercedes vehicle means there are issues with the emergency call system, and in most cases the main culprit for this problem is the 12-volt battery or also the auxiliary 12-volt battery, depending on the model of your car. So before you spend money on any inspections, it's a good idea to check and probably charge both batteries. This is especially common after the car has been sitting for a while or after your Mercedes was serviced and the mechanic kept the doors open or the ignition on for a long time. Sometimes just driving your vehicle for more than half an hour helps you eliminate this warning, but charging the batteries with an external charger is a better idea. Also, after about 2015, there were several more years with faulty software of this SOS call system. The telematics control modules are usually okay, but the software needs to be updated. There are dozens of software versions, so it's best to take the car to the dealership if you suspect this can be the culprit for your problem, and check for any available updates for the telematics unit. If you own a pre-2015 Mercedes, things may be a little less optimistic. In these cars, there is a very common failure with the wiring harness connecting the SOS call panel and the telematics control unit. And the wires can actually break in various places. In a lot of cases, I've seen them failing under the armrest between front seats, but I've also seen reports with other affected places. So if updates and battery charging don't help you much, you will need to find a good car electrician to test the wiring and find a broken wire to eliminate the SOS Inoperative message. Or you may just put up with this if you don't consider an emergency call a necessary safety option and the annual inspection in your country or state doesn't care about it.